Hello folks, how are we doing? Out for another wee jaunt today again. Today we are at Drumlane Abbey, County Cavan. You can see in the background there's the ruins of an old abbey in the background. It's within the Marble Arch Geopark in County Fermanagh and County Cavan. So we're going to go and see what this historic ruin looks like. It's very scenic, very pretty area, so let's go and see and let's capture you some of the views. Come on, we'll go in and we'll see. Come on. Clearly was not made for me at this point. We're going to have to go low. How you doing? Okay folks, we've taken some photographs here, we've taken some video footage. We've been as respectful as possible. It is a place of worship, it is a place of burial. Please be careful where you tread, where you walk. Please be respectful to the burial site and the grounds. This is an OPW, Office of Public Works site. It is very well looked after and very well attended to. It's a historical site and you must treat it with the greatest respect. One thing that we've looked at here around, some of the gravestones are very old. Some of the writing is so worn that you can't actually see it. I've picked up some from 1715. Interestingly, not sure if the camera is picking this up right now, but the design on this almost looks like skull and crossbones on it, which is a very interesting design. I'm sure there are those out there who could probably tell you why it's done like that. I can't, but I personally have never seen that design on a headstone before, so it's very interesting to see this sort of thing here. Beautiful site, well tended to, lovely place to visit, within County Cavan, within the Marble Arch Geopark, and definitely worth a visit for a short walk around. Well folks, another short visit, worth the drive, lovely place, just outside Cavan, outside a place called Milltown, Drumlane Abbey. You should come and see it.